There are important resources and information for researchers available on Florida Health Finder. On the home page, click the Healthcare Researcher Data panel. Here you can find links to Florida hospital financial data, a link to our Order Data Dictionary, Patient Data Query Tool, and Quick Data Summaries, Research Studies, and Reports. Let's click a few of these. Order Data Dictionary, if we click this link, this takes us to a page with information about data orders on Florida Health Finder. Even though there is a lot of information already available on Florida Health Finder, sometimes researchers in particular have a need for much more specific data sets. On the Order Data Dictionary page, you can see what information is available and when, as well as contact information to find out how to place a special order for data. The Patient Data Query Tool is here in the middle of the list. If we click Query Tool, this tool allows us to view more specific information about 3 types of healthcare providers: hospitals, outpatient surgery centers, and emergency departments. You can view information from 2 different years, 2017 or 2018, and you can filter this information all of the ways that you see here under Filter Type. This includes filtering by hospital name, facility, age group, patient gender, principal payer, MSDRG description, and so on. We can see that the default setting is to view this information by hospital. And at a glance, we can see the hospital name, the number of discharges at that hospital for the year 2018, the average length of stay, the total charges, and the average charges at that facility. Again, you can filter this data. You can also download the results to a CSV file. And if you have questions about this data, you can click here to see our data disclaimer, to contact us, or to visit the Data Layout Data Dictionary. If we click Research Studies and Reports, we can now quickly find links to the agency's Adverse Incident Reports, Certificate of Need publications, Emergency Department Utilization Reports going back to 2010, and additional reports that are published by the agency. Under Quick Data Summaries, we can find links to summary reports on inpatient discharges, outpatient discharges by facility, and emergency department visits. And these reports go back to 2010 and 2011.